Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to BK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe uthini kahle niyaphila. Danko. In today's video we'll talk about 4 players. It's Langelihle Phili, Thulane Gumede, Seluleko Mahlambi bese sivala ngaye ke laphana uKeletso Magalo. I believe ukuthi whoever that Kaizer Chiefs is going to sign ku left wing, it will be based on these 2 things. It's either they're looking for a long-term investment or a short-term investment. That's why I mentioned those 4 players. Kodwa ke nalazi udaba ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi siye kude, cela ningisize ngokulike nokusubscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke maso subscribeile, danko kaningi. Asivele sihlala udabeni. Langelihle Phili is the talk of the town because he was one of the youngsters that I'd say he had a breakthrough with Stellenbosch, scoring 9 goals, assisting once in 39 games. It is not a bad stat for a youngster. And Kaizer Chiefs currently, they need a left wing. And Langelihle Phili looks like he might solve Kaizer Chiefs' problems. That's why I believe that Kaizer Chiefs is trying by all means to secure the signing of Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch. Even though Stellenbosch is not looking like a team that is willing to release Langelihle Phili. So Kaizer Chiefs might try by all means ukuthi imsign, but it might happen ukuthi bangamtholi. And that's my concern. It will look like Kaizer Chiefs is not competent while they are trying by all means to get Langelihle Phili. I believe ukuthi Stellenbosch doesn't want to sell Langelihle Phili. But everything will be clear after we hear ukuthi was the second offer accepted or rejected. But for now, siyazifanela sonke. We are still hoping ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs finalizes this deal and they get Langelihle Phili. He will be a good addition to the squad. He will add that youthfulness going forward. We will expect ama goals as expected vele. We will expect ama assist if things go according to plan. He is a player that I believe which we need at Naturen. But the question now is, will he succeed at Chiefs? Will he be able to perform under pressure? Because there's this thing which we see players play in their respective clubs, but we don't put into mind ukuthi, is he subjected to pressure where he's playing now? Because that's also important. There's this thing that we often say ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is signing free agents, but I believe ukuthi it is better that way, because you know ukuthi the risk is not that huge. But kubonakala seqoqo Langelihle Phili to Kaizer Chiefs, yeah, kuzoba umqanza. Kodwa akasithembe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izomthola. Let's move to Thulane Gumede. Thulane Gumede is another player that I believe ukuthi if he gets to be part of a team that is good, he will shine more. As it was reported that the Kaizer Chiefs made an inquiry for the services of Thulane Gumede from Richards Bay. And it was shocking because if you look at the stats of Thulane Gumede, they are not that good. But I don't think it is a matter of equality with Thulane Gumede. It's about what is the player capable of doing. What can the player give to a club like Kaizer Chiefs? One thing I like about Thulane Gumede is his work rate. It is a player I believe in terms of input, he's like Wandile Tob. He doesn't mind tracking back, helping the defender. He can also go forward. He has the pace because he's good playing on the shoulders of the defenders. As a winger, he can also cut inside. He's very tricky, but the stats are a deal breaker here. That's why most fans were like, there's no way that Kaizer Chiefs were looking to sign this player with these poor stats. But it's beyond the stats. As I said, the player that Kaizer Chiefs will get, it will be based on the plan that they have. Is it a short term or a long term? If it is a long term, you know very well, okay, Abo Kumete, Abo Pili are players that we should expect Chiefs, maybe one of them sign. And then let's move to Useluleko Mahlambi, another exciting youngster that had a breakthrough with PSL. And then again, he's overlooked because no one is talking about him. I don't know why. The spotlight is on Ulangile Hlepile and Thulani Gumede since he has been linked with the Kaizer Chiefs. And Useluleko Mahlambi scored 6 goals and assisted 6 times. He's 21 years old, by the way. Ntanga yakhe lapana Ulangile Hlepile. I forgot to mention the age yakhe lapana Gumede, which is 25 years old. So you see now it's about if ever things don't go according to plan, Ulangile Hlepile, Kaizer Chiefs has options now. That's the thing, it's better to have option A, option B, or option C. Don't rely on option A, because if he disappoints you, you just know awusazi ukuthi uzoya. And I was excited mangizwa ukuthi they've made an inquiry kuye lapha noGumede. So Useluleko Mahlambi, I believe naye he's one of the good youngsters we have in the league. We saw the stats, but what is good about him is how he plays as a winger, both left and right. He's very strong. He's dynamic. You know very well he's not one-dimensional. But when he wants to cut inside, he can also cut inside. And also his movement inside the 18 area, it is impressive. That's why he scored those goals. Before Kamba or Pusu Ritejan, I liked their combination because you could tell these are youngsters and they understand each other very well. At Chiefs, we do have youngsters. And I believe if things go according to plan, but I don't think the Kaizer Chiefs have their eyes on Useluleko Mahlambi. It's just an option. He might also be a good addition with Kaizer Chiefs. But since no one is talking about him, I believe he's another player that is very impressive maumbukela. Bese sivala ngendoda endala ke laphana, Keletso Maghalwa. It was reported teams from Tanzania wants to sign him. It's Simba SC and Yanga FC. So lokho kuchaza into eyodwa bayakubona lokho esikubonayo sonke he is a good winger. He's skillful, he's quick, and he has the pace. That simply means 1v1 is good. But his game revolves around one thing that I find impressive. It's the assist. Last season, I believe he finished with 6 assists, tied with Apolis. The season before, he finished with 9 assists and 6 goals. So that simply tells you he's a player that you know very well he's not a youngster. He is a player that is past his prime, but now it's all about him doing what he has to do so that the team becomes better. The strikers, they get to benefit from him. We saw Abo Mncube, Sekhukhune United, we saw Abo Groble benefiting from ama-square balls wakhe uKeletso Maghalwa. And I believe his experience might come in handy for Kaizer Chiefs. But if Kaizer Chiefs is looking for a long-term investment, Maghalwa is not a player that I believe will be on their radar right now. I don't know what do you think about everything that I've talked about.